Hey guys, I just literally got home after I streamed today live on YouTube, and I want to do a little quick trade recap before my trades here go away, because as you can see I still have all my trades opened that I took today, and we have 20 minutes left for this video, and then the trades will disappear because I trade in prop from account. So guys, these are the profits I made today. You even saw one free or Nasdaq trade live on my stream today, and once I got back I took some more trades, so I want to go over them. I wanted to show you this on Trade Copier as well. Let me go over there quickly. I'm gonna remove this now, or actually you can leave it here and I can just make it a little bit smaller. It kind of looks cool. There we go. I'm gonna put it here and let me show you on Trade Copier. I wanted to show you the P&L here. The things that disappeared now, but you can see the capital is the same, and here you can see all my prop firm accounts connected with the drawdown. You can see we had an insane day, so we are basically fully on a really big drawdowns on some of the accounts as well. And yeah, these are I'm gonna request a payout soon again. You can see here how much I'm up on all the accounts, and yeah, I just wanted to show this quickly. I use Trade Copier. The link is in the description as well. You can use my code Sato trades if you want to try them out. It's the best copy trading prop platform in my opinion. So yeah, let's go over the trades. So these are my ES trades that I took. The first one actually, oh wait, we're on Nasdaq. Let me show you ES first. So this is actually my first trade at midnight. So I longed here. Then I also called this out in the private group. We had an order flow level here and the order flow is looking bullish. So I longed this one, closed this here. This was actually on stream, or no, this was off stream. Then we took one ES long here where I got stopped out. This was off stream where I got stopped out. And here I actually came back. Here I came back home and I took some more longs, as you can see here. I took some more longs on ES and also Nasdaq. These were the trades on stream. There was one on stream here actually. Let me go in 1 minute. This is the one free hour trade we took live on stream, and then we actually went lower, and as you can see here I went into a trade again. So I went into another Nasdaq long, and this is why I'm up even more than on the stream right now. I quickly wanted to show you this and show you a quick recap. So we had a nice key level here. This is actually also an order flow, and we had an order flow bullish absorption at these lows. So I did enter a long here again on Nasdaq at this also key technical level, as you can see here. Let me go to the 1 hour chart. So we hit all the liquidity down here, and we're at the low of the value. We were close to the value low. So we had an order flow level, we had key levels, key technical levels as well, as you can see here on the 15-minute time frame. So this is why I decided to long again. I took a nice Nasdaq long once more. So this is the 3 hour trade on stream. This was the 3 hour trade on stream, and these were the trades I took after, the longs I actually took after. I took one here. This was here I actually went out of the long because it was, yeah, because I wanted to wait for a little bit lower. Then I longed with 2 contracts here, and this was the big win that I closed basically right when the market closed at 10 p.m. here in Switzerland. And yeah, for ES, ES was kind of hard to trade. I mean, this was the one I had open still on stream, got stopped out on this one, and then I just took some more longs here. I had actually another small stop loss, really small one, and then on the final move, it was looking so bullish that I scaled in with 3 contracts. So this is a free, as you can see here, 1, 2, and 3 times. So this is a free micro contract ES long that I took right here, down here, the big one. The other ones were smaller, 2 contracts and 1 contract. And here on Nasdaq, I took 2 micro Nasdaq contracts at the lows. And here I also only took 1. This was a Nasdaq long with 1 only. So here I was actually in with 2 contracts on this last pump. So yeah, this is my recap here, guys. And as you can see here above, this is my daily P&L that I already showed at the beginning. And yeah, guys, if you wanna support my free content, make sure you use my code Sato on FunderNext, Tradify, Apex, or Hyro Trader. And if you actually use my code, you get the best discounts on the whole website if you use them. Plus, you can actually join free giveaways, like private exclusive giveaways for people that use my code. So do make sure to use the code Sato, guys, and all the info is on my website. You can make a free account, just submit once you bought one, and you will get into the weekly prop firm giveaways. Right now we have a 150k APIS giveaway and a 50k Tradeify giveaway, which ends on Monday, and I will also draw them live on my stream. So yeah, I also stream live almost every day, New York Open, so also make sure to subscribe, and if I hope to see you guys on my stream if you're new to the channel. But yeah, this was a little recap, and thank you for watching, guys.